Horses out, we have Lady Clear past the begin, moving up Arias now is Matalin Haga together. Danori Insa now is number 1, that's through the years. Hugo Boss also moving up. Now we have Matalin Haga, the leader. Lady Clear is running by Drell. Hugo Boss are the outside. Then joining them now are the outside is Rosario Princess. Then next on line, moving up are the outside now is through the years. We've got number 5, Rosario Princess, the leader. Running by Drell is Hugo Boss. Then racing in third position. And moving up is Grace Kelly. And that's still Rosario Princess. Running by Drell is Hugo Boss. And racing in third, Grace Kelly. Then followed over by Modern Light. And that's still Rosario Princess. And on the outside, moving up is Grace Kelly. Hugo Boss is nicking that on the inside to take the lead. Now we have Hugo Boss by about 2 lengths. Grace Kelly, Rosario Princess running by the Lady Claire. And down to the finish, Hugo Boss, Rosario Princess, Lady Claire is running by the Grace Kelly. But that's still Hugo Boss, followed by Lady Claire, Mr. Cupido, and finally Hugo Boss. Lady Claire, Mr. Cupido, Rosario Princess, Grace Kelly, Modern Light. Then comes 6A.